जय गुरु जी। सारी संगत को जय गुरु जी। जय गुरु जी। शुक्राना गुरु जी। मैं ये सत्संग गुरु जी के मंत्र जाप से करना शुरू करूंगी। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिव जी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरु जी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिव जी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरु जी सदा सहाय। संगत जी, आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से टुडे। मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि Guruji is here with me right now and he has given me the hukum to tell a satsang. मेरे को इस वक्त अभी बस इस वक्त इंडिया में बज रहे हैं अराउंड रात के 1:45 and I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep because मेरे को बहुत तेज़ बुखार था, जुकाम है। बुखार था, जुकाम है लेकिन गुरुजी की कृपा से आई एम फीलिंग मच बेटर. सो like around afternoon time today I started feeling very sick और मेरे को जुकाम और मेरा कान दर्द करने लग गया, मेरा थ्रोट सोर था and everything and I was like चलो ये तो नॉर्मल चीज़ है, चला जाएगा. And this was happening to me since last Sunday. With Guruji's grace, Guruji ने मुझे अपनी सेवा दी है. I get to do his seva every Monday. And Sangaji, Sunday evening, I started feeling like a big swollen, हम बोलते हैं कि swollen lymph nodes kind of thing. So I was like कि I got a little scared because ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. My aunt, who is a doctor, she told me that it could be an ear infection. And she said, don't worry about it, could be an ear infection. And I had a history of ear infection, so it's going to be okay. But it had never swollen like this. I was like, okay. So I came home that night and I was like, because now I started feeling a little discomfort and I was like, how will I go forward with my seva the next day? But as I woke up next Monday in the morning, my pain was gone, absolutely gone. And I did not have a lot of discomfort in my throat. And I was like, Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, thank you ki, I could come to do your seva. I went, I did seva and I was very, very lucky ki, I felt fine all the time. I came home and I was fine the whole Monday. But Tuesday, I started getting this cold and cough. Sorry, Sangaji, if I'm taking a lot of time. I just, please bear with me and Guruji, please मुझे माफ़ करना अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हो जाए सत्संग सुनाते समय. सॉरी संगत तो and अभी I was in a meeting around in the evening on Tuesday and मेरी हालत बहुत ख़राब होने लगी because what was there, AC चल रहा था full blast पे and actually इतना भी full blast पे नहीं, it was 24 degrees, it's fine. लेकिन I was like मुझसे सहन नहीं हो रहा, अब मुझसे सहन नहीं होगा, अब मुझसे सहन नहीं होगा, अब मुझसे सहन नहीं होगा. And I felt like the cold seeping through my bones and I was like, Guruji, if I don't get out of here in like next 5 minutes, I think I will need to be admitted in the hospital. But his meher was there. Suddenly, my dad, who was also in the meeting, he told everybody, can we just leave? We have to go somewhere. It's like, okay. I was like, Shukrana Guruji. I went out, but the next place I had to go also had an AC. So I'm really grateful for my baby sister Meera, who lended me her jacket and her love, and I'm really grateful to Guruji that he's given me such a wonderful baby sister. मैं घर आई रात को around 8 or 9 p.m. और मेरी हालत खराब. I was like, I don't know if कि I was wearing such a big jacket और इतनी गर्मी है मुंबई में, ऊपर से इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है. that you cannot even bear without a fan. And I was like, मुझे ये jacket भी पहननी है, मुझे fan भी नहीं चलाना है, और I just want everybody, just I can't, you know. Shukrana Guruji ka, my mom and my sister had gone to a satsang that very evening, and they could get me Jal Prashad by Guruji's grace. And I was telling him while taking steam, कि Guruji me कोई blessing भिजवा दो Guruji please, because I can't tolerate it. मेरे आँखों के सामने सितारे नाच रहे. I need something. I need you.
That's the point.
And he was there, and my mom got with Guruji's grace Jal Prashad, and I was very happy. So अभी what happened, I went to sleep, लेकिन मैं 11:15 पे उठ गई, and I couldn't sleep क्योंकि I could feel मेरा temperature high है, और मैंने तब से पंखा नहीं चलाया, and मेरा पंखा भी, you know, मेरा बुखार नहीं उतर रहा था अभी, and I was like, Guruji, and that very evening I suddenly remembered that my sister had come and she told me a satsang that how auntie used to listen to shabads. And when she was ill, she used to listen to Shabad. And I had his Jal Prashad with me. And in every 5-10 minutes, because zukham mein pyas to lagti hai, with Guruji's grace, I could have the Jal Prashad. I could have the Jal Prashad. Thoda bach jata tha, I'd fill it up with water again. So, you know, I could drink his holy water. And at the same time, I was using the cloth, usse bhi bukhar nahi utar raha tha. And suddenly I got the idea of listening to the satsang. So I started listening to his satsang, and Sangat ji, you won't believe. इस शब्द का एक अंतरा खत्म हुआ होगा, and my fever was just out. And as I was listening to the satsang, his shabad, I could imagine him in his mandir in Mumbai and doing his meditation, because Guruji used to say he never sleeps. He's always awake to look for out for the world and the whole universe. Actually, the whole multiverses, we can say, as he is Maha Shiv. And इससे पहले मेरी बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं थी, मेरी सीधे बैठने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी. And right now I'm sitting in cross-legged without, मेरे को गर्मी लग रही है, मुझे पसीना आ रहा है, and my बुखार is lowered down considerable amount, very much actually, बहुत कम हो गया. तबेश गुरुजी का शुक्राना जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहता है. संगत जी, I'll tell you this, you know, my parents are with me in my house, my sister's with me in the house, and they're sleeping very well. And I don't even want to disturb them, because I know my Guru is there with me. You know, जब भी आप मुश्किल में होते हो, we always, you know, turn to our parents and be like, you know, I'm 23 and I still turn to my parents in the most, we all turn to our parents at the most, you know, down time of our lives. And जब हम बीमार होते तो हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे लिए और भी केयर करते हैं, लेकिन इस वक्त they are sleeping very well. And with Guruji's grace, I am also doing very well now. So, शुक्राना गुरुजी. संगत जी, मेरे को एक और सत्संग याद आ रहा है. हम लोग, गुरुजी listens to our smallest desire. And I remember one day I had dream darshan of Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, and he told me, तू ना अपने दिल में भी कुछ बोलेगी ना, एक आवाज भी निकालेगी ना अपने दिल में, अपने दिल के अंदर, मैं वो पकड़ लूंगा. And संगत जी, he actually listens. गुरुजी ने मुझे ये भी बोला था उस ड्रीम में कि telepathy, I should say, sorry गुरुजी, कि I can even hear that frequency that no human can hear, no animal can hear, only I can hear it. And इसका ये सत्संग है कि I was doing, अभी कल ही मंडे की बात है कि I was doing सेवा, and I say, Guruji, Guruji, I really want to just come into your kitchen just for like, you know, I'd really love to come and, you know, just, you know, be with you in your kitchen. I I started saying this, and I started saying, Guruji, mujhe maaf karna. You know, I may have not been the best girl for the past week, and I really would love to, come and see you in your kitchen. And afterwards, I felt very sad by asking this to Guruji, and I said, sorry, Guruji, and I continued with my same, and I forgot about it. In the next couple of minutes, I think maybe half an hour, 1 hour, Auntie tells me, Siti, Auntie, please go and get ajwain from Guruji's kitchen. And I was very happy. I was ecstatic. I was like, Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. As I went up, our wonderful in charge auntie, she was, preparing Guruji's bhog, and she says, I asked her, Auntie, Auntie needs ajwain downstairs. She said, Siti, I'm preparing the bhog. Siti, Auntie, I'm preparing the bhog. Could you please, see if it's here? And I got to be in his kitchen for the next 5 minutes, finding ajwain. It was one of the most amazing moments of my life, I'm telling you, Sangaji. I mean, I thought I would just go for 2 minutes, but he kept me there for 5 minutes. And suddenly Auntie tells me, Siti Auntie, just give me 2 minutes of your time and get the bhog bartan from down. And that was even more honorable seva for me. So I went down and I came up with the Guruji's bhog bartan, and I gifted to Auntie. And tab tak bhog lag raha tha. And I got to witness his bhog, fold my hands in front of him. And then again, Auntie tells me, now you can continue your search. So I was like a pretty good time at his mandir. Guruji, jaan hai, he knows everything. You don't even need to tell him anything. Nothing. But he knows the most smallest desires in your heart. So Sangat ji, हम लोग गुरुजी से बुरा मान जाते हैं, गुरुजी आप मेरा ये काम नहीं कर रहे, मेरा वो काम नहीं कर रहे, ऐसे नहीं होगा, कब होगा, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Sangat ji, he knows everything, every truly smallest hidden desires of your heart.
So,
and he will also bless you with them, but only if they are right for you. Because he will bless you even more. Like I thought that 2 minutes ka kaam hai. 2 minutes ka kaam hai to just get ajwain, but he made me sit there in his lotus feet, and he made me search for ajwain. That is how our Guruji is. Isse I'm remembering one more satsang. Actually 2 more. Please bear with me, Sangat ji. So satsang ye hai कि it was Christmas day at Guruji's ashram, and Guruji was decked up all Christmassy, उनके पास एक Christmas tree था, उनके cushion पे एक Christmas tree बना था. He was looking like, it was very festive. And as I was sitting in his darbar, I could feel very festive. I could feel like, wow, how everything is just shiny and everything is just, Christmassy, and I love this and I love this. And suddenly मेरे दिमाग में thought आता है, Guruji, today's Christmas. Will you be my Santa Claus and gift me something? बहुत ही like, I don't know out of where that thought came, and I told this to Guruji in my mind. But suddenly I realized I shouldn't have said that. So I'm like, sorry Guruji, please मुझे माफ करना, मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था आपसे. I went down with my seva. As I was coming out of the mandir, we wait for shuttles, right? तो जब मैं अपनी शटल का वेट कर रही थी हमें छोड़ने के लिए, अचानक से एक सेवादार अंकल जी अंदर मंदिर से आते हैं और बोलते हैं, आंटी जय गुरु जी, एंड ही हैंड्स मी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेसलेट. एंड आई और आई थिंक मुझे 2 या 3 सेकंड लगे होंगे, आई थिंक मोर देन 2 or 3 seconds to remember that Guruji had listened to me. Even in that fleeting moment this was just a fleeting thought, and he listened. That is how our Guruji is. Also, I have a very, Sangat ji, sorry, I also have another satsang. So, हम जब भी जाते हैं गुरु जी के सत्संग में, आपको आरती के साथ में मिठाई मिलती है, गेट अ मिठाई. And I went to a satsang, and they were giving laddus with aarti. And at that moment of aarti, I had to rush to the washroom. तो मैंने बहुत जल्दी, मतलब जल्दी नहीं, but मैंने आरती ली, गुरु जी की, and I went to the washroom. As I was driving home back, my sister, she's my twin sister, and she's teasing me, oh, the laddu at Guruji's was so amazing. I'm a very big foodie, Sangaji. So I said, really? And she said, yeah, it was from this Halwai Tiwari's, and I really loved it. It had dry fruits in it, and it had badam in it, everything you can imagine. It was very colorful, it was very tasty. And I was like, okay. And my sister came home and she was telling me again about the same thing again. And I was like, Riddhi, please will you just stop telling me about this, because I'm going to cry that I did not get to, मैंने उनका प्रसाद ग्रहण नहीं किया. And I felt, हर हफ्ते सोचती थी, it was a very, Sangat ji, it could be a very stupid desire, but for me it was a very, from मेरे दिल में तो था. I'm telling you, जो मुझे याद आ रहा है, it was a very, उस moment में it was a very, you can say, kind of important desire.
Right.
तो अब मैं हर सत्संग में जाऊँ या जहाँ पे भी जाऊँ, I would not get the laddu. And they had laddu every time, Guruji's prasad as laddu, but I couldn't get it. And I would tell Guruji, why not me? Why not me? And I remember even on the Mahashivratri day, there was laddu in langar. As I came home and I opened my langar prasad, I did not find a laddu. There was just an imarti, and otherwise my sister was like, oh, the laddu was great again. And I was like, Guruji, is there any problem? हम बच्चे हैं, हम लोग कभी कभी बोल देते हैं, हम तो उनके नादान से बच्चे, और हम बोल देते हैं कि गुरुजी मुझे क्यों नहीं, गुरुजी मुझे क्यों नहीं. Sangat ji, I went to a satsang, I was invited, and you won't believe, the Sevadar uncle came to give aarti, but he passed out from my side, and there was a little laddu. And I looked at Guruji in the swarup and I said, Guruji, please, क्या आप मुझसे नाराज, was the first thought that came to my mind. Please मुझे माफ करना गुरुजी, अगर मुझसे कोई भूल हुई हो इन दिनों, please मुझे माफ करना. पर uncle took a U-turn and he came and I got to have his aarti and I got a small nibble of laddu. I was like, chalo, thank you Guruji. At least, I got a small nibble and I'm really grateful. Thank you. I got it, but it was a very divine satsang, Sangat ji, very divine satsang. And you could, मेरे हाथ से रोज की खुशबू आने लग गई थी. And I was like, Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana. And as I was proceeding out, my sister tells me, Siddhi, look. And I looked at my left. They had Tiwari's ke thele, and there were goodies in it. And I was like, maybe it was not for us, maybe it is for us. I got happy and excited, but at the same time, I didn't want to, get my hopes high. So as we were leaving, they started handing out everybody that goodie bag. I was so happy, and I was so happy, and I was so happy. As I looked in the goodie bag, I saw itna bada laddu. It took me, Sangat ji, it took me 5 days to finish that laddu. That is how our Guruji is. So Sangat ji, I will just say this much. उन पे भरोसा रखिए, पूरा फेथ रखिए. आपकी सबसे छोटी से छोटी इच्छाएं तक पूरी कर सकते हैं, तो आपकी बड़ी इच्छाएं क्यों नहीं पूर्ण करेंगे? उनमें फेथ रखिए, पेशेंस रखिए, उनकी विशेस, उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स आएंगे. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, पहले वो आपको माइंड स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं, आपको हेल्थ देते हैं, फिर वेल्थ देते हैं, फिर करियर देते हैं, फिर बाकी की चीज़ें देते हैं. So thank you संगत जी for listening to my satsang. And I have to say मेरा बुखार इस वक्त पूरी तरह से उतर चुका है. शुक्राना गुरु जी, जय गुरु जी, अनंतम अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे प्यारे प्यारे गुरु जी. थैंक यू संगत जी, जय गुरु जी.
तेरे बिना सुने कोई जज्बात ना, मेरे विच ऐसी कोई गल बात ना.